Today I'm going to be installing a new electric dryer. I'll be cutting out a new dryer vent and installing the electrical, and I'll show you how we do it. And I'm just bending these in so it's easier to fit inside the other piece. So here I am below the room where the dryer is going to go, and right now I'm going to drill a hole through the floor so that the dryer vent can come down and then out this old window opening. I'm using a 4 1/8 inch drill bit to drill the hole. Alright, now I'm going to go on the other side underneath the porch and try and feed my my 4-inch pipe. I'm going to try and feed it through this hole. The old person that used to live here had a dryer that was just venting straight down from the upstairs into the basement here, but that's really not a good idea because there's already a ton of moisture in this basement. We don't need extra moisture down in the basement here. I'm going to take the dryer vent from right upstairs, I'm going to send it down here, and I'm going to send it out this window where we've already drilled a hole. So I drilled most of the way up from the bottom of the basement so I could see where I'm going, and now I'm going to drill the rest of it down here. Alright, so I attached this to the back of the dryer right here with a metal connector, and this part here is going to go into the basement where I'll connect it in the basement. So here's the work I did last night. Here's where the dryer vent comes out from under the basement. So I put this big large pipe together and then I fed it through that old window opening. And then I'm hanging it right there. It's a little bit low to the ground than I'd like, but maybe I'll dig out some area underneath so that it's not so close. So this here is the old electric dryer plug that we're going to be replacing. And we're going to be replacing it with this upgraded plug here. And this is the cord you're going to need for the dryer. It's probably the same for all dryers. It looks like this. Now before we start going and messing with electrical, guys, make sure you know which breaker it is and turn off the breaker, the main panel. And I like to use one of these little devices right here to make sure that there's no power going to the receptacle before working on it. So this is how you know if it's a live outlet, like this one right here. But this one right here is there's no power going to it. This is the new one. I'm going to install it right there. I'm going to pop that out right there, and I'll feed the new electrical up into there. This is what the new outlet looks like. We got red on the left, black on the right, white in the silver screw, and the ground bare copper wire in the green screw. Alright, now this is the back of the dryer. I'm going to unscrew this so we can have access to the pin. Pretty self-explanatory. You're going to want to attach the green wire, the ground, to where the ground symbol is there, or that green screw. And then up there we've got the red, white, and black wire. So we just got to connect the back of the cable up through there. So that's it, the dryer is working now. It's vented to the outside. I got the electrical working. If you guys have any questions about it, leave it in the comments down below. And if you found this information useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.